Go! Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf and I'll be presenting the mysteries of space. Space is a very mysterious thing to us as normal people who study and thrive to study, and also to scientists who devote their life to find out what space is, what does it contain, what mysteries do we not know yet. This project was made by me, Yusuf Naimna, Faisal Rashid, Faisal Mansour, Abdullah Al-Yahya, Sultan Hamad, Talal Shaya, and Rakan Abdul Qadir. And here to tell us about our first mystery, Faisal Rashid.
Thank you, Yusuf. Hello, gentlemen. My name is Faisal, and I would like to kick off our prestigious project by talking about black holes. First of what is black?
No problem. It's our fault, not your fault.
What is a black hole? A black hole is a region of space where the gravitational force is so strong, not even particles can escape from it. Second, how are black holes formed, you might ask? They are formed when a commodious star goes through supernovae. That's where it exactly forms a black hole. Supernovae is a stage of supernova in which a star collapses. After the collapse, the gravity power becomes so strong because of it being compressed. Getting back to our main point, the black holes. There are three main types of black holes. The first type is primordial black holes. These are the smallest sized black holes. It is believed that they are as small as a single atom, but yet hold the mass of large mountains. Second, we have the stellar black holes. Stellar black holes are the normal sized black holes. At most, they have 20 times the mass of the sun and 10 times the diameter. Last but not least, we have the supermassive black holes. Those are the largest black holes in the universe yet discovered. And we have one in the center of our galaxy. Its mass is, and this is a photo of the Sagittarius A that's found in the middle of our galaxy. Its mass is 100 times the sun and the diameter of an entire solar system, can you believe? So, jury, have you ever heard of antimatter? Antimatter, there is a type of black holes called antimatter black hole, but we don't have time for it, unfortunately. But we will inform you of antimatter generally, and here to do so, my colleague Yusuf Mnemna. Break a leg, Yusuf.
Excellent.
Thank you. Okay, what is antimatter? To even comprehend what is antimatter, we must understand what matter is. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Okay, good. It's the opposite of matter. That means the subatomic particles, they have the same properties but the opposite charge. They work the same, everything. How can it be made? Antimatter can be made by two ways, either by high-speed collisions in space, which we do not know about sadly, or by the particle accelerator, which are used in scientific buildings and research developments. Now, these cost a lot. Now, how did NASA believe that? How did they find out about antimatter? Now, NASA believes in the Big Bang Theory, which, of course, as Muslims we don't. Now, they say when the Big Bang Theory happened, due to the amount of energy that came out, there were two types of matter. Matter, which we have today, and antimatter. Now, there is one question they still don't know how to answer. Why was it the majority? Why wasn't antimatter the majority? Until now, they do not know. And this eludes them every day. Now, I was thinking, antimatter is like matter. Anything can be made of antimatter. What if we found a planet made of antimatter? Now, sadly, we can't explore it, because when matter and antimatter touch, they annihilate. They form pure energy, which we can use as a renewable resource. Now, how can we use it as a renewable resource? After annihilation, when they collide, we can use it as energy. Now, this might be a good way to explore space, using a warp drive where the amount of energy created can be used to fuel up the spaceship. Now, sadly, NASA does not have the funding since it requires $100 billion to even weigh 1 milligram of antimatter. But one day,